Diesel was cross with Daisy the diesel railcar. He thought she was very full of herself, and he was fed up with her boasting.
You know, a real one-of-a-kind engine. Uniquely useful. The only one on the Northwestern Railway.
Oh, I'm sick of hearing about Daisy, the diesel rail car.
Who's talking about Daisy?
I was talking about Harvey.
Harvey is a tank engine with a crane mounted on top of his boiler. A unique engine, one of a kind. Then, Diesel saw a way to show Daisy that she wasn't the most singular engine on Sodor.
Hello, Harvey.
Oh, hello, Diesel.
Did you know that Daisy has been saying she is the most uniquely useful engine on Sodor?
Well, we're all useful in our own way.
Yes, Harvey, but do you think she's more useful than you with your crane? Because that's what she's been saying.
Oh, really?
More or less.
Well, it's not a very nice thing to say. I can be useful too.
That's not what Daisy thinks!
Hi everyone, Thomas here. If you liked the video you just watched and want to see more, subscribe to Turbo711's YouTube channel. You can also follow him on Instagram at Turbo711 for updates. Thanks for watching and have a great day. See you next time.